Hello and welcome back to Daily English. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam. We're so glad to continue our travel journey with you. In our last lesson, we successfully departed and are now on the plane. Today, we cover the exciting next chapter: landing, getting through the airport, and arriving at your hotel.
We know arriving in a new country can feel overwhelming, but we will walk you through every single step, from the moment the plane touches the ground to the moment you check into your hotel room. You will feel prepared and ready to start your adventure.
We have a long, detailed lesson full of realistic conversations. Let's get started. And if you're finding this series helpful, please support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Okay, Olivia, the captain has just turned off the seatbelt sign. The plane is landed. We're taxiing on the runway. What's the first thing that happens?
There's usually a bit of a rush as everyone stands up, but it's best to stay seated until it's your row's turn to leave. You'll follow the signs for arrivals and baggage reclaim. The first big stop is a very important one: passport control or immigration.
Right. This is where an officer checks your passport and asks a few questions about your visit. It's crucial to be able to answer these questions clearly and calmly. Let's jump into our first role play. This can feel formal, but it's usually very quick. I'll be the immigration officer, and you can be the arriving passenger.
Okay, I'll be a tourist visiting for a week. Let's go!
Next, passport and landing card, please.
Hello, here you are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit to the United Kingdom? Business or pleasure?
It's a holiday. I'm here on vacation.
How long do you intend to stay?
1 week. I'm leaving next Sunday.
And where will you be staying during your visit?
Let me see. I have a reservation at the Queensgate Hotel in London.
Everything seems to be in order. Welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
Perfect. That was a very standard and efficient immigration process. The passenger gave short, direct answers. It's a holiday, 1 week, and had the hotel name ready.
Exactly. The officer's questions are almost always the same. Knowing the name of your hotel is the most important piece of information after your passport. Once you're through immigration, the next mission is to find your luggage.
That's right. You follow the signs to baggage reclaim or carousels. Let's role-play a situation that happens to many travelers. Waiting for a bag that seems to be taking forever. I'll be a fellow passenger, and you can be the worried traveler.
Okay, I'm staring at the empty carousel, starting to get nervous. Let's go.
Come on, where is my bag?
Still waiting? It's taking a long time, huh?
Yeah, I've been standing here for 20 minutes. Everyone from my flight already got their bags.
Oh no. Don't worry, sometimes one cart comes late. What does your bag look like?
It's a big black suitcase with a red ribbon on the handle.
That's easy to see. I'll look for it too.
Hey, there it is. I see it.
Great, see? You got it. Have a nice trip.
Thanks. You too.
Phew, what a relief. That was a very realistic little moment of panic.
It was, and it shows how a bit of small talk with a fellow passenger can be reassuring. Notice how he described his bag clearly. Large, black, hard-shell case with a bright red ribbon. That's a great tip for everyone.
Absolutely. Now, with luggage in hand, you've officially arrived. The next step is to get from the airport to your accommodation. The most direct way for many is to take a taxi. Let's do a detailed role play for getting a taxi at the official rank. I'll be the driver, and you can be the passenger.
All right. I've got my big suitcase and I'm heading to the taxi stand.
Hello, need a taxi?
Yes, please.
Pop the boot and I'll get your case for you.
Sorry, the boot?
Ah, the trunk, the back of the car. Sorry, force of habit.
Ah, right. Of course. Here you go.
There we are. Hop in. So, where are we heading?
The Queensgate Hotel, please. It's in Kensington.
Queensgate Hotel. Sure, I know it. It's a bit of a journey from here, I'm afraid. With this traffic, I'd say about 45 minutes. maybe an hour.
That's fine. I'm not in a huge rush.
First time in London?
It is, yes. I'm really looking forward to it.
Well, welcome. It's a brilliant city. You'll have a great time.
Great! We even learned a bit of British English there, with the word boot for trunk. The passenger was clear with the address and polite throughout.
And the driver gave a realistic time estimate, which is very helpful. Now, let's fast forward. The taxi has pulled up outside the hotel. We need to pay the fare and get our bags. This is another key interaction.
Okay, and this is where you might need to ask about payment methods. I'll be the driver, and you can be the passenger arriving at the hotel.
Here we are, the Queen's Gate Hotel. That'll be £68 on the meter.
Okay. Do you take credit cards or is it cash only?
Oh, I'm really sorry. The card machine is on the blink today. It's been a nightmare. It'll have to be cash, I'm afraid.
Oh, right. Let me see. Okay, I have cash. Here's £70.
70, thank you. And here is £2 back. Your change.
Thank you. Please, keep the change.
Oh, that's very kind of you.
Thank you for the ride.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay.
And there we are, safely arrived at the hotel. The passenger handled the cash-only situation smoothly and even used the common phrase, keep the change.
So, we've successfully navigated the entire arrival process, from the formal immigration, through baggage reclaim, into a taxi, and finally to our destination. Let's review the key phrases and words that will get you from the plane to your hotel.
Absolutely. Here is your arrival survival list.
What is the purpose of your visit?
How long will you be staying? It's a large black case with a red ribbon.
The boot. British English for the car's trunk.
Do you take credit cards or is it cash only?
Keep the change. A polite way to give a tip. Listener challenge.
Now it's your turn to practice. This is where the learning really sticks.
Your challenge is this. Imagine you are at passport control. The officer asks, "What is the purpose of your visit?" What do you say? Write your answer in the comments below.
For example, I'm here on vacation or I'm visiting family. We read every comment and love to see you practice.
Thank you for another fantastic lesson. You are doing incredibly well learning these real-life English skills.
You're now equipped to handle one of the most challenging parts of a trip. Give yourself a pat on the back.
If this lesson made you feel more confident, please let us know by liking this video. And subscribing means you won't miss our next adventure.
In our next video, we'll check into the hotel and start exploring the city.
Until then, happy travels and goodbye.
Bye.